guys, today we are making a paper rocket that you can launch with rubber bands. You will need the following materials: a sheet of paper, scissors, and a big rubber band or 2 small rubber bands. Start by folding your paper in half. Fold the top corner of each end of your paper in, meeting the middle line. You should have 2 triangular flaps making 1 triangle at the top of your paper. Then repeat this and fold in each corner again, making longer triangular flaps. Then fold this in half. Fold this in half again and flip it. The pointy side should be facing up, and on the open side we're going to make a diagonal cut going up and only about halfway through the rocket. Open the rocket from the vertical crease. You'll have 2 diagonal cuts on both sides of the rocket. Fold on each of those cuts going inward. Fold it in half again. Use a big rubber band or join 2 small rubber bands together, hooking one onto the rocket and one on your finger. Pull the rubber band and aim, and your rocket should launch. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching.